Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create two columns in Canva, a simple trick that can instantly level up your designs. Whether you're working on a flyer, a presentation, or just experimenting with layouts, knowing how to structure your content in columns is a game changer. First, open your design in Canva. You can choose a template or start from scratch, whatever suits your project. Once you're inside the editor, here's a quick tip. Press the slash key on your keyboard. This opens Canva's element search, saving you from scrolling through endless menus. Now, type table in the search bar. Canva will show you a variety of table options. Tables are perfect for creating columns because they're easy to adjust and customize. Pick a table with two columns and click to add it to your design. Instantly, your two-column layout appears on the canvas, ready for your content. Next, let's make sure your columns fit perfectly. Click on a column and you'll see small handles on the sides. Simply drag these handles to resize each column to match your content or your preferred layout. Canva's interface makes this smooth and intuitive. No stress, no guesswork. And that's it. You now have a clean professional two-column layout in Canva. Columns are a fundamental design tool. They help organize information and make your content easier to read. By mastering this, you'll take your designs from basic to polished in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting with Canva's tools and watch your creativity soar. Thanks for watching and happy designing.